Eat more, weigh less. How to achieve weight loss through mindful eating. Many people believe that in order to lose weight, they need to drastically cut back on the amount of food they consume. However, recent studies have shown that this approach may not be the most effective way to achieve long-term weight loss. In fact, eating more of the right foods can actually help you shed pounds and keep them off for good. The key to this strategy is mindful eating, which involves paying close attention to what you are eating and how it makes you feel. By tuning into your body's hunger cues and eating when you are truly hungry, you can prevent overeating and make better choices about the foods you consume. One of the main principles of mindful eating is to focus on nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body and provide long-lasting energy. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By filling your plate with these foods, you can eat more volume while consuming fewer calories, which can help you feel full and satisfied without overindulging. Another aspect of mindful eating is to slow down and savor each bite of food. By taking the time to chew your food thoroughly and appreciate the flavors and textures, you can better tune in to your body's satiety signals and avoid overeating. This can also help you develop a greater appreciation for the food you are eating and prevent mindless munching. In addition to focusing on nutrient-dense foods and practicing mindful eating, it is also important to listen to your body and honor its hunger and fullness cues. Rather than following strict diet rules or restrictions, aim to eat when you are hungry and stop when you are satisfied. By listening to your body's natural signals, you can develop a healthier relationship with food and achieve sustainable weight loss. In conclusion, eating more of the right foods and practicing mindful eating can help you achieve weight loss goals without feeling deprived or hungry. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's signals, you can create a sustainable and enjoyable approach to eating that supports a healthy weight and overall well-being. So next time you sit down to eat, remember to eat more, weigh less.